Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for illustration. First, open Canva and select Create a Design. You can choose a custom size, like 1080 by 1080 pixels for social media, or pick from many preset options. This sets up your workspace for your creative journey, making it easy to begin your illustration project. Next, dive into the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Here, you'll discover a vast library of graphics, photos, and videos. Use the search bar to find exactly what you need, whether it's a simple line or a complex illustration. Drag and drop elements onto your canvas, then resize and rotate them to fit your vision perfectly. Now, let's customize your illustration. Select an element to reveal editing options in the toolbar above. You can change colors, adjust transparency, and even add filters. The layering tool, found by clicking position, allows you to bring elements forward or send them backward, creating depth and dimension in your artwork. Finally, consider adding text to complement your illustration. The Text tab offers many font styles and combinations. Once your masterpiece is complete, click the Share button in the top right corner. Choose Download and select your preferred file type, such as PNG for high quality, to save your beautiful new illustration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.